Today I'll be making a studded tire for my mountain bike to give me extra traction during the winter. Of course, I'll be using items that I found or that I have on hand. I found a mountain bike getting thrown away today. It has 26-inch tires, just like the mountain bike that I own. I also have this bin full of carriage bolts. They all have a flat bottom on them, and I think that it'll help keep it from getting a flat. So I have this huge bin full of them anyway, so I might as well use them up. I'll be drilling a hole just off center. I have some nail polish on the threads here, makes really good Loctite. And I have this roll of tape, which is 2 inches wide, and I'll be making a mark with chalk every 2 inches. After I tighten them, I will use my cutoff wheel to cut off some of this length here. So maybe there's only 1/8 of an inch sticking out. This tube came from this tire and it doesn't really hold air very well. So I'm going to make a slice in it all the way down the middle and use that as a sleeve for my other tube to hopefully give it an extra layer of protection so I don't get a flat. So I'm going to work my way all the way around and then I'll come back. Alright, so I'm halfway there. I'd love to have a washer on all these, I just don't have enough. And probably a little dab of silicone around all the holes wouldn't hurt either. So I trimmed off all these bolts. I split open that other tube and lined the inside with it for extra layer of protection. Put on another tube, and as I was filling it up, I realized that it has a leak too. But that's okay. The tubes on my mountain bike are still good. Just the one I picked up today has a couple leaks. So that's pretty much all I can do today. It's not winter yet, but I'm just getting ready and wanted to share what I was up to today. And thanks for watching.